television and music. Choose from a wide range of recent releases and classics from Hollywood, Bollywood, and beyond. There are challenging video games, great TV, and the most amazing collection of music in the air. Pick up the entertainment guide and start exploring. Keep up to date with the live news and sport headlines updated throughout the night. You can also track the progress of today's flight on the airshow channels. Or enjoy the views ahead and below through our onboard cameras. Keep in touch with family, friends, and colleagues from the comfort of your seat by phone, SMS, or email. On most Emirates flights, you can also use your own mobile phone, just as you would on the ground. Please set your mobile to vibrate mode before disturbing others. Emirates Infinite Duty Free offers luxury gifts and international brands. Browse through the guide to see what's available to buy on today's flight. Or after the flight, go online. Visit emirateshighstreet.com and choose from hundreds of exciting products for delivery right to your door. Skywards, Emirates frequent flyer program makes travel more rewarding. If you're not already a member, join online at skywards.com and earn miles for today's guide. Skywards miles can be used for free flights, upgrades, and much more. The lives of children in need by donating to the Emirates Airline Foundation. Using envelopes or forward. The Foundation's newsletter in your seat pocket highlights the project. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight on Emirates.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
الإمارات متجهة بإذن الله إلى تونس. أفراد الطاقم يتكلمون اللغات إضافة إلى العربية، الإنجليزية، الفرنسية، الإسبانية، الرومانية، الأرمينية، التاغلوغ، الماندرين، الهندي، الكرواتية والإيطالية. تحية طيبة قطاع سكاوت المسافرين معنا على هذه الرحلة. إن نظام سكاوت هو برنامج طيران الإماراتي ولا المسافرين والذي يمدكم بالجوائز والامتيازات في كل مرة تسافرون فيها معنا. إذا أردتم الانضمام إلى البرنامج أو الاستفسار عنه يوجد تحدث إلى أحد أفراد الطاقم. سيدتي وسادتي، توجد تشكيلة واسعة مواد السوق الحر على متن رحلتنا اليوم، ورجاء الانطلاق في مجرة السوق الحر الموجودة في جيب مقعدكم. سيدتي وسادتنا، تذكيركم بأنه يمنع منعا باتا التدخين عن متن الطائرة. نتمنى لكم رحلة سعيدة معنا اليوم. الرجاء عدم التردد في طلب المساعدة، وشكرا.
Ladies and gentlemen, the languages spoken by the cabin crew include Arabic, English, Italian, Armenian, Romanian, Spanish, French, Tagalog, Hindi, Mandarin, and Croatian. A warm welcome to all our Skyward members joining us on today's flight. Skyward is Emirates frequent flyer program providing you with rewards and privileges every time you fly. If you would like to join, please speak to one of our cabin crew to receive an instant enrollment card and earn miles on today's flight. A wide variety of duty free is available on this flight. Please make sure